Greetings and salutation. Welcome or welcome back to this channel where every morning at 5 o'clock there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I am Claudette Richardson-Pious, and look here now, you can't afford to miss it because this series is on parables. Make sure say you tune in and you like and comment and you have to share so that more people can get the teachings and the blessing. Right, yes, sir? 5 o'clock every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read from Mark 4, verses 26 to 29. Then God said to them again, say, make me tell you how God kingdom turn. It coming like somebody we plant seed in a him field. The farmer go sleep at night and get up a morning time and the seed them catch and grow. But him no know how the seed them grow upon them own. The ground make the seed them grow and bear food. The star come first, then the corn tick, then the corn pan the tick. And when the food where the farmer plant ready, him pick them. A God word this, thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.